Hi, welcome back to SR DIGITECH. Today we are going to see a new video. So mostly we are using an unlicensed version of Adobe Premiere. So after using a 1 week or 5 days or 7 days, it shows an error like this one. You have to purchase the Adobe. So how to solve this one? Now I am showing 100% working model which is tested. So just close this window. Premiere 2025. Now open your Windows Security, Advanced Securities. Please for that one, go see Advanced Security. Here you have to block the firewalls, the incoming and outgoing connections to the Adobe Premiere. So how to block? So open your Advanced Security. Now you will see inbound, outbound rules here. Now click on the inbound, select program. Now select the path where the Adobe Premiere was installed. Go for the C drive and select the Adobe, and you will see this program, or else you can go directly. You can check that one, file location, and select the copy the path premiere.exe. Copy the path and paste here. Click on the next. Now block all connections. Click on the next. Click on the next. So check the connection and give the name of the inbound rules. Click OK. Now similarly you see that one and bound rule has been created in the Windows Securities. Now go for the outbound rule also. So in the same manner you have to select the program, copy the path, block all the connections and give the outbound rule name. Mostly preferable give the same name which is given in the inbound rule. Now close this window. Now you will check. Now open the Premiere. Now it is working fine. That is, we are not getting an unlicensed window here. So now it is working properly as it is a licensed version. Before that one, please aware that one, don't use the illegal softwares. So purchase the softwares for your technical purpose. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.